In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to overlay and merge images in Adobe Photoshop, step by step. Whether you want to create double exposure effects, add textures, blend two photos together, or simply combine images for a design project, this method is quick, clean, and beginner-friendly. I'll walk you through opening your images, applying blend modes, adjusting opacity, and finally merging everything properly. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Photoshop. Go to File, then click Open, and choose your background image. This will be the base image that everything else sits on. Next, go back to File and click Open again and select the image you want to overlay on top. Now you'll see both images open in separate tabs at the top of Photoshop. Click on the Overlay Image tab so it becomes active. We're going to move this image onto the background document in the next step. Select the Move tool from the toolbar on the left, or simply press V on your keyboard. Click anywhere on the overlay image, hold your mouse button down, and drag it up to the tab of your background image. Pause for a second until the background opens, then drag your cursor down onto the canvas and release. Now the overlay image appears on top of the background. If you look at the Layers panel on the right, you'll see two layers, the background layer at the bottom and the new overlay layer above it. Next, we'll resize and position the overlay so it fits perfectly. Make sure the top layer is selected in the Layers panel. Then press Ctrl and T on Windows or Command and T on Mac to activate Free Transform. You'll see a bounding box appear around the image. Click and drag the corner handles to resize it proportionally. If needed, reposition it by clicking inside the box and moving it around. Once you're happy with the placement, press Enter to confirm the transformation. Now let's create the actual overlay effect. With the top layer still selected, go to the Layers panel and find the Blend mode drop-down at the top. By default, it's set to Normal. Click on it to see different blending options. Choose Overlay if you want stronger contrast and a dramatic look. Choose Multiply if you want to darken the image and blend shadows. Choose Screen if you want to lighten the image and blend highlights. Try a few different modes to see which effect works best for your specific images. You can also adjust the opacity slider right next to the blend mode to control how intense the effect appears. Once you're satisfied with how the images look together, you can merge them. If you only want to merge specific layers, hold down Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac and click both layers in the Layers panel to select them. Then press Ctrl and E or Command and E to merge them into a single layer. If you want to combine everything in the document, go to Layer in the top menu and choose Flatten Image. That's it. You've successfully overlaid and merged images in Adobe Photoshop. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.